Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CUET PG Psychology. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which typically includes 100 multiple-choice questions. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 2 to 3 hours daily. This consistent effort will build a strong foundation. Finally, collect all necessary resources, such as standard psychology textbooks and official guides, to ensure comprehensive coverage of the syllabus. The CUET PG Psychology syllabus covers a broad range of topics, including research methodology, statistics, and various branches of psychology. Prioritize understanding fundamental concepts from each area. Standard textbooks like those by Barron or Sickerly are invaluable for detailed explanations. Additionally, regularly consult the official examination syllabus to ensure you are covering all prescribed units and subtopics effectively. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Aim to solve at least 10 previous year question papers to grasp the exam's pattern and difficulty level. Incorporate weekly mock tests into your schedule. This helps in managing your time effectively and reduces exam day anxiety. After each test, analyze your performance to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Regular revision, perhaps for 30 minutes daily, will solidify your understanding of key concepts. On exam day, a calm and confident approach is your best asset. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a nutritious meal. During the exam, read each question and its options thoroughly before answering. Allocate approximately 1 minute per question to complete all 100 questions within the 2-hour time limit. Trust your preparation and stay focused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.